Welcome, Pawley's Island in Litchfield 29585 to your local market update for single-family residential homes in April of 2024. I'm Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand, here to answer any questions that you may have. So for April, and I'm going to do May's today as well, so I'll be all caught up. You can see here, I go by averages. The average price per square foot went down from March to $711,603 compared to $964,173. So we had a really good March. Went down a little bit in April, and it'll be interesting to see what happened in May. Average days on market 100. They've been all in 100, so average right now. The average price per square foot is up. It goes up and down, so it's at $227. But look at compared to last year up above, it is totally up from there. So we're up from last year at the same time, which is always good to know and compare. Months of inventory, we have a little bit more, especially compared to last year at this time in in April. 97 active listings, 28 pending, and 31. These are average, what goes on there, as you can see. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm here to help. I've been doing real estate locally here for 16 years now and 24 and a half total. Thank you so much.